Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an ultra quick keychain with WeCreat here. Basically, we're just going to click on text. We're going to use the default word hello. You can put this as any font or any text you want. And then in the previous video, we showed you this merge tool. We're going to be using that as well. But we're going to be using what's called offset. Click on offset. Choose your corners. If you want them to be squared off, you can do that. I want mine to be curved. You can make this offset bigger. Something like this looks good. We'll click confirm. And then all we need to do is grab our little circle tool off to the left here. Hold down shift, create a circle about yay big, and then hold down shift and click that outline offset that you made. And we're going to use that merge tool that I showed you in the last video. Click merge. And now all we need to do is go back to circle, hold down shift, and draw a smaller circle on the inside here. And you now have a keychain. Simple as that. If you guys have questions, let me know down in the comments below.